Yawa nyina wache mu akwaba emfa emra bedwam dwumade so live on Adom TV. DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV dey give us here live and so hodom. And I said po waje bre na ori betwe ko fanche say Mpensenpensenmu delay kakra. It's also for a good reason. It's na amano abadesano. But dey akwasi ensia. Abujafo atrase ye baba twe enkomo. Makata so pensempa etie ya 10 year enim kasantwi enimu a eno ani bedwam on Adom TV. Ya fana sekese koma Kingdom Herbal Center. Kingdom Herbal Center. Na Kingdom for na kofa enu permit say Kingdom Garlic Bitters na fe Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Ede aba edwaso. Eno ni eduro betimi aboa so cholesterol ano aye dem pa hospital akato so cholesterol e rise here. Eduro betimi aboa jonkwa. Aye Kingdom Garlic Bitters, and that's a Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Remember, so doing New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Remember, patching when more say. Ya dear was system, and I can't be marked will come from show the CNA ban. We hear the bit me aboa, I'm more than so achi, and one a New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. About to be Mokro, or a boyfriend to Mano. Na Sabio and Freewood, uncle. Or maybe a told Rubiano, or Quan Sabekabi at 24 frame 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153. Kingdom or say no challenger. Franco Trading Enterprise. Yakana kato sa phone papa FA and hodom. Franco Trading Enterprise. Open phone which is Nokia, Samsung, iPhone, TV to say TV size be up from 32 to 100 inches. Oko Franco Trading Enterprise or Sabeka be ato or tabletop fridges so sounds of Franco air condition from 1.5 to 2.5 horsepower. Air pop. A train cania soka krebi. Or CCTV so ha and a braba bumukra betchum. I'm young the pakra ye sa camera no emu. And my party in fee and a Franco. So to the more porta and so when you 40% discount. Frame 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and 0555 939 311 0555 939 311. Franco Trading Enterprise still phone papa efie and hodom. But for trans battery and come say no ehye nkomo we asem about Galamseyers for moto e dey see a year railway year Nsuta in the western region. Elevation beto so ye be cause regional minister so akodi ko no regional minister na mpanifo ko honom ekotu anamo ebi etencha the salvation be so no ahwe se na mpanifo ko ye yeso maka o mahusem akọ ye ti achi nipa 12 ewom yesu se ne yekoso no onemu ebi. Honorable Collins Adabako Mensa a member of Parliament Malaysia we figure Kwabre North constituency. And as also that Agbeshi Luchu, a senior member of the NDC National Communications, also a board member of Ghana Water Limited. Honorable Kore. And I call you a ranking member. Deputy ranking member on Mines and Energy Committee. And it's a mines near separate from mines near lands. This is him. It's a deputy ranking member on the Energy Committee. Now almost so kwa probo our Greek atna ye ya we say Galamseyers ha Greek so ti ye 21 no so no enye ye ka ye di IPPs ne ntimi ntwio ba Galamseyers nti abi ye betimi akodu so no ona member of parliament say ye Yankopon Adom ye ho ye me dey say this is the first time I share Mr. Nsuta on set but you'll be on radio thank you for the opportunity. And I think why your communication of course should make close to 40 years. It is true. Sometimes na ora kwesi no twumo ye NDC balo paper home printing no na the paper bre wa kwanya wa NDC aben wa sabre na ebi kra enwo mo. It's true. No businessman to man appointment. I was about God here. Yeah. Not the moon. In that form. But I think this year, climate is a little bit considerable. Okay. Yeah, you call for one. No, I'm in farming. Yeah. Yeah, my pa. Sure. Sometimes
It just said, go down, cultivate what we eat.
Okay.
People say, oh, maybe in school, but yes, what should I? It's very, very interesting. And we thank the Almighty God for such a blessing upon us.
Sure.
Well, last minute, we call Jump House.
Yeah.
Yes, we call Juma. For the first time, you see a crate of tomatoes.
Okay.
Our Volta region is about 300 cedis.
Volta.
Just in the recent past, now a crate of tomatoes. Then number what? Almost, I think, if not 6,000, 6,000, 8,000.
Okay.
Yes.
6,000. And that's about 300.
It's 300 cedis. I go, your friend said the MP for, what's the name? I go also.
Okay.
Was appealing to His Excellency the President said,
yeah,
me talk for tomatoes.
Yeah.
But I think the major problem in me was here, and he said, how do we manage such a situation?
Okay.
Said,
okay.
No, there must be. You see, there used to be. Was it under Ministry of Agriculture? Can you share more with
that warehouse?
Yeah, there was a food distribution corporation.
I think they were nice. No Ghana Commodity Exchange.
No, most of it.
Yeah, I'm the link the buyers to.
I'm not
the
talking
farmers.
about that kind of bureaucratic way of doing things. You see, food distribution corporation. No distribute.
Okay.
Won't link here go ahead. These are some of the problems we have in this country. Too bureaucratic.
Oh, but we see, but another issue is say.
Yeah.
Every exchange, some of the complaints now equiafoni be say. You have done the money in So in the wisdom of government, the young creative and enabling a business company be or no and the belling cake one na area in Yareno to omo eto. For example, say udria tomatoes. You say or companies are a year tomato factory to Ghana. So come with me first belling came more asante achim north to this tomato factory. Say be a udria na esune ba. And you have to come market akopre atofo. They will link you to okay, and then you will say Agwesi am a request. So opebia 20 acres of tomatoes. It's what you have 10
The point is that when farmers cultivate, they are looking for the market.
Sure.
A direct market. There's no need for someone to link them.
But find the market is something difficult.
It is not about finding the market. Go and look at the functions of the Farm Food Distribution Corporation.
Okay.
They go to the farmers and buy directly.
Okay.
What I say? Who call linking? Who are you not linking your money?
Medasi. Honorable Member of Parliament.
Yes.
Nano Amoko Greek or I didn't see you.
I'm chair
for Jews. It does.
Na many had basic I say prices of goods, food abafo. Actually, the Ghanaian Times, the most authoritative newspaper, Tuesday, October 7th, 2025. She said, "I'm media fee at this page 12."
Page 12. And again, time.
My kind, young kind.
Oh, my basis.
My kind of that.
Food prices swing in Accra markets.
Accra what?
Accra markets.
I am back with markets.
Oh, what can we do?
Tomatoes.
Okay.
It's my main food prices across major markets in Accra continue to fluctuate.
There be markets.
What can we do? What's the price about?
What's swallow esco?
Okay. With some staples recording steep price hikes.
Okay.
Whilst others are experiencing sharp declines.
Okay.
In Agbogbloshie, one of the capital's busiest food hubs, prices of essentials such as tomatoes, onions, yam, and imported rice have seen steep rises in recent weeks. Now,
okay.
A box of tomatoes, which sold for 800 Ghana cedis in early August, now goes for between 1,200 and 1,500.
Accra market.
Pacho. What can it do? I am reading the report from the Ghanaian Times. While a bag of onions imported from Niger has jumped from 900 Ghana cedis to over 1,300.
So as of between August and September.
Me say where your Ghanaian Times
and the publication.
And you mean America. Me need to see voter region. Tomatoes are free 700, about 300. And is that?
Yeah. Now also 6,000.
To 10
to 300 cedis.
Okay.
That's a crate.
No problem. Some tomatoes here the voter region about Accra.
Okay.
In Accra, it has moved from 800 to 1,500
within a month.
And you America.
Where's your Ghanaian Times?
Ghanaian Times. So
whether it is Ghanaian climate or Ghanaian whichever paper it is, the point I'm making is say in you.
Okay. Some of me also what that.
I was go up how.
Oh,
okay. Last week I was there because I had lots of vegetables and things. Oh, what you and then because I have a lot of tomatoes currently in my fridge, my deep freezer, a lot. So
yeah.
Intino, maybe some I say Argentina voter on Fufu Sana way or see Papa no Jamie Comisano. Omo no de buy. Omo de buy na mo to swama ye. Omo they are aware.
Okay.
But because my minimum money cash omo de beto. Omo ba no mo dey have omo free omo.
Okay.
You understand me? So such factors can shoot the price up. Okay. But I'm happy. In terms of one kind of
okay.
Was it from August
to September?
There be not August.
Also August na be a 900. They say shoot it to 1,200.
August na dey. Na efu.
Yes.
Sisi dey. Apeja. Okay. Just August last year, you can Google. Okay. And see the price of a crate of a tomatoes.
Okay.
What do I say? Senyamia Shawa. Pasidamanu. We were in this country. I said we bought a crate of tomatoes for 6,000 to 8,000.
But I say, I'm the Western Regional Minister, Honorable Joseph Nelson, and country, and we're not coming here. Yeah, cast out of about Galamseyers. Yeah, Wako 2, a year in Nsuta Railway. I say, I must say, because actually part 12. Honorable Regional Minister, good morning.
Good morning.
Now, Boko, yeah.
Nyame hongobo mo he.
Yeah, that nyame ase. Here so far nipa 12 year achi omo no mo we.
Wo kokot ne.
Omo kokot ne. Ena ba bi omo kotutu ase no so omo ye Galamsey no. E ho so aye ho de se ye ka sei.
Eneda nyame nchaze mu koduro ono na e bi rekoda o hwede wo ba feel.
Okay.
Amuna we tutu na wama railway lines no baby or osensan hwa kwa baby or insi neda no wo yo hwedu.
Okay. First time I hear Galamsey was abia ono ana say ade ekoso dada.
Oh well mama de manyu akoko hunete no chere onye overnight aso.
Okay.
The wakodo ache and pay American report to be on the former minister for railways, Honorable Ukra occasion be overseen call and so area on no express a worry about Manoro Kodo. That should tell you that Oyada Wakodacha.
Opa, this is the first one ni akobo bibi saso.
Railway line when yes. Railway line when the dying first time I'm going baby to them. But of course, last week you make an arrest and report to the chair there. Now we baby to them. But I needed to know them to me no more the extent of damage. Now you never can offer.
Sir, a idea near a new year na ye Galamsey. Police commanders, police officers here all them no. Uno mudi nkomo omo ya aware say sa Galamsey de koso sa bia ho.
It's very expected the mass may be the answer will not be a straight yes because Okay, doing more record over. The next question will follow me obvious. The saying me don't record over about the Nayafa.
Yeah.
In most cases, okay, to do in the Eba and Cherry over the master made money, but Nina come forward, we give me the more change in the or how or the yes or no. And that is what it is. It's the what do we do from hence? That's for me.
Okay.
Is the issue. Will be done 1 year. Well, able to me, I can answer.
Okay.
At the end of the day, we still have the issue staring us in the face. So what do we do?
So 9 months in office, the district chief executive officer or say or you're aware of this situation.
District chief executives were by 4 months.
Okay.
Say Ebekaya, by 4 months. Now, a bona yeja to home work for years. Na MC, I'm not holding brief for the MC, but
okay.
Or the MCs, but we have to put the issue in proper context. The bona work for years near Babotu. Yes, me imde to one among last week cram home videos of FEMA on nam site or Juma. But on the yeja to home watch children, it has become so widespread. Just one outing to solve another unresolved problem. Intina line when the wow because I quite when the higher baby and Crawford and I had and Moya who mean the right, in the town, another than the Krona Kasa Kutsumamufuna or Achimuna when you hear the margin or record because I will come high to make more record.
Okay. Minister, beyond enne, DNA here to ensure say Galamseyers for any access to that place again.
Oye nzama baye bien. Okay. No fan le basa. One. Community now or rely on. You have a responsibility. One must BBA or Kodonya or the Wutumwama and paying for us what.
Okay.
2. Railway for Nankasana line near Wardiano. They also have a certain responsibility to protect it. And that Mukotu work across also as superintendent, Nejuma in the Oshe, the railway line of Bonibia and Koba. But now, in the work capacity to monitor the lines and so it's challenged. It's the Oma Wuntumana monitor. I'm sure that's why I would to the way you are sure. JBA, you saw another data on Pansan. Okay. And then finally, the police, the security service. Give the ones who are the WAP will give me the police if no woman chant. Now, smart making some catch on there. Yako changing patrol, ye clear sight, but already you to intensify your monitoring because. Oh yeah, most in the Galamseyers, we monitor when we an operation called security funifa or check a crown son back. Okay. And to watch a hana 2 days, 3 days, no son wide poke back. This time, in a dynamic catch on or there, you activate a certain monitoring device here to be a baby a year clear now so that will be an son and cohon son could the Mujman. You can enough that we'll be able to protect lines. And you can maybe a year when there was say it's possible that portions to be of the line from Takwa to Takra and also maybe and a BBA Kodokrana. On the railway for Nanka, so when you capacity to monitor the full line every time. A big partner will win. Today that no so much railways on there. A can be hard. One shredder will scan the full length of the lines near okay. BBI pepe. As a bonibisho kodo baby I near tuna. Yeah, so I think these things put together should help.
Yeah, I say. So honorable Joseph Nelson, the Western Regional Minister, and I'm to say no trim commodity for Enra Galamseyers for to share Nsuta railway lines. So, or Takwansu, I am put them one. That's no Eddie Eho, and Kwamenam ho Emra, Eba, Yentua Galamseyers, and Commoner. Yeah, by